Ready?
Yeah, yeah. Come on, Papa.
He wants to see what Christian.
Come over here, Christian.
Look at Grandma.
Come here. Come here so Isaac can walk to you.
Love you, baby.
Baby. Clap your hands. Oh, clap your hands. Hey, do the whole no thing. Oh, no, no. Okay, let's do this. Whoa.
Let's go really fast.
Isaac.
Isaac.
No.
Okay.
Nah.
No.
Oh, put the crayons up.
No, I can't even get his face. We're just playing, little guy. I just want to see your funny face. Isaac, look at Mama.
He wants to see what's going on over there.
Isaac.
Come on.
Isaac.
Oh!
Oh.
He hit my toe, my foot, my toe.
Oh, you okay?
Oh, baby.